car, yo.
Dad, closing your mirror.
Closing your mirror. Oh my gosh, yo. Oh my gosh. All right.
Hello.
It's crazy.
Okay.
Balls deep, baby.
Dad, this is no time for jokes.
Woo!
That's
I hate
scary.
this. I hate this.
Yeah, boy.
And Jace is asleep for all of this.
Woo! Who's the motherfucking man, bitch? Who's the motherfucking man, bitch? Who's the fucking motherfucking man, bitch? Who's the side of the fucking man, bitch?
I'm gonna cry.
I swore. I swore. I swore I was gonna slide into that motherfucker. And this dude, bro. He was like, holy shit.
Dad, come on, I want to go.
Where's the end? I said, oh, your buddy, man, like almost fell down.
He
the
popped
ravine.
his front tire.
It's flat?
Yeah, I guess he needs to change it.
I'm gonna cry, you guys. I'm gonna cry.
Shoot.
We were on the.
I thought he meant he like popped it off the side. Like, you know.
Oh,
popped
they still
up.
got to get by Dom and Dina.
That's what I told them. But Dominique backed up to where it was wide enough.
That's usually what we were already too far in. We were already too far in.
Did you see?
No, I didn't see
What
it.
the
Did you record it?
No,
my
only the second
God.
one.
Dad,
Oh
come
my
on.
god.
Dad, get in the car. I wanna...
Bro, we were so fucking close. Oh my god. I don't
that them?
even know how to fuck.
Yeah, that's that.
I'm going back this
Here.
way.
Let's roll.
Come on, let's go.